What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best car vacuum cleaners on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is DRECELL Car Vacuum. The DRECELL Car Vacuum is a portable handheld device designed to clean vehicles using a direct current 12-volt power source. It connects through the car's cigarette lighter and comes with a long power cord that extends over 16 feet. This reach allows it to cover the entire interior space, including the trunk area. Weighing just around 1.75 pounds, the vacuum cleaner is easy to handle and suitable for various types of cars, such as sedans, vans, trucks, and sport utility vehicles. It fits comfortably in one hand and makes quick cleanups more manageable. The vacuum is built for wired use and is not battery-operated, making it reliable for continuous cleaning sessions. The cleaner provides a powerful suction that helps remove dust, pet fur, food particles, and soil from tight spaces. Its extended cord allows for thorough use in hard-to-reach areas like under the seats or inside small compartments. A built-in light helps illuminate darker zones for better visibility while cleaning. A set of useful attachments is included, such as a crevice tool, dusting brush, little cleaning brush, and storage bag. These parts support cleaning across different surfaces, such as fabric seats, dashboards, and console edges. The high-efficiency particulate air filter is designed to collect fine dust during use and is easy to clean after vacuuming. 2 extra filters are also included. The removable design allows regular washing, helping maintain performance without frequent replacements. This vacuum is compact, simple to operate, and well-suited for people who want to keep their vehicle interior clean using a reliable, easy-to-store tool. In our list, the number 4 product name is Power Practical THISWORX Car Vacuum Cleaner. The Power Practical Portable Car Vacuum Cleaner is a handheld cleaning device designed for simple vehicle maintenance. It runs on a direct current 12-volt auxiliary outlet and includes a long 16-foot cord that offers extended reach throughout the entire vehicle interior. This setup allows access to areas like rear seats, trunk space, and floorboards without any difficulty. This vacuum model is lightweight, making it easy to operate with one hand during cleaning tasks. The ergonomic build helps the user navigate tight corners and narrow spots that are often hard to reach. The unit is compact, yet it can manage everyday messes such as dirt, dry particles, and small food debris often found after daily use or road travel. Included in the set are 3 useful attachments for dry and wet cleanup: a flathead nozzle, a brush head, and an extendable nozzle for more detailed work. A filter cleaning brush and additional high-efficiency particulate air filter are also part of the package. This type of filter helps collect fine dust particles and supports effective suction performance. The filter can be washed and reused to maintain long-term efficiency. A cloth filter system is used for capturing debris during vacuuming, which supports the cleanup of soft surfaces such as seats or carpets. The vacuum comes with a carrying bag for organized storage and portability. This unit suits both men and women who want a practical solution for routine car cleaning. It works well in sedans, hatchbacks, trucks, or sport utility vehicles that include a standard auxiliary power port. In our list, the number 3 product name is VARSK 4-in-1 Car Vacuum Cleaner High Power. The VARSK 4-in-1 Car Vacuum Cleaner is designed for those who want both cleaning and inflation capabilities in one compact tool. This device connects through a direct current 12-volt outlet and includes a 15-foot long cord, allowing access throughout the entire vehicle. Its multiple functions are easy to operate and provide reliable performance whether cleaning or checking tire pressure. Built to manage daily car mess, the suction strength is enough to lift small items like debris or dirt found on mats or seats. It includes a washable high-efficiency particulate air filter that helps capture fine dust. A second replacement filter is also provided for extended usage. The detachable waste bin helps users dispose of contents without hassle. This model includes tire inflation support, which is useful in situations where pressure loss occurs. The air pressure is displayed on a liquid crystal display panel, making it easier to monitor during use. The compressor can inflate standard car tires, motorcycles, or smaller inflatables, but is not designed for large vehicles such as trucks or recreational vehicles. It shuts off automatically when it reaches the programmed pressure, providing added safety. An integrated light allows usage in darker environments, assisting with both cleanup and tire checks during nighttime or low visibility conditions. The nozzle attachments serve different functions, helping reach corners and tight spaces. This product is suitable for compact cars, sedans, and sport utility vehicles. The long cord makes it possible to clean or inflate tires on the rear end of a car without the need for extensions. It is built with a focus on durability and undergoes detailed inspection to meet consistent standards. This practical car vacuum and inflator fits well into the routine care of a vehicle and suits users looking for a combined solution. In our list, the number 2 product name is Dormzie Handheld Car Vacuum Cordless. The Dormzie handheld vacuum is built for convenience in both home and car spaces. Its compact size and lightweight body make it suitable for daily touch-ups without added strain. Whether tackling pet mess in a small area or reaching into tight corners of vehicle interiors, this tool is made to support a quick and flexible cleaning routine. Designed with a rechargeable battery, this vacuum can run for more than 20 minutes when fully powered. Charging is done using a Type-C connection, allowing for flexibility whether at a work desk, garage, or even while traveling. It can be charged using wall sockets or vehicle ports, adding to its adaptability. The suction strength allows it to handle small dirt particles, sand from car mats, or dry pet mess on furniture. It includes a high-efficiency particulate air filter that is washable and can capture fine particles. This helps reduce buildup in the filter and supports continued airflow during use. The vacuum comes with attachments that help solve different needs. A slim nozzle can reach into narrow areas beside seats or behind appliances. A separate hose helps maneuver around awkward spaces, while the included brush is useful for lifting dust from fabric surfaces or pet bedding. The dust container is semi-transparent, making it easier to see when it needs to be emptied. It opens with a single touch, reducing contact with collected dirt. With a sealed design and filter protection, this cleaner supports mess-free operation. The cordless form adds to its reach and makes it ideal for quick pickups across different surfaces. Designed to be easy to carry and operate, this model serves small living areas, office setups, and personal vehicles. In our list, the number 1 product name is DRECELL Car Vacuum. This handheld car vacuum cleaner is designed to handle everyday messes inside vehicles. It is built to operate using 12-volt direct current from a vehicle power outlet and includes a long power cord that can reach across most interiors. The compact structure makes it easy to carry while offering practical cleaning support. Lightweight design allows for comfortable handling during extended use. The built-in light provides visibility in low-light spaces such as under seats and corners. That makes it easier to clean hidden areas without needing extra tools. It comes with accessories that allow for more precise results. Items like crevice tools and dusting brushes help remove particles from various surfaces and textures found in vehicles. The motor used in this unit creates a suction level capable of lifting debris from fabric, carpets, and hard-to-reach locations. From pet fur to crumbs, the vacuum is able to remove waste that can settle into interior creases. The dust container is designed for simple emptying after use. Included is a washable filter which captures small dust and allergens during cleaning. Users can clean and reuse this part, making it a more sustainable choice. It helps maintain airflow during operation and avoids clogging over time. This vacuum cleaner can be stored with its included bag and placed in vehicle trunks or garages. It is suitable for cars, vans, and small trucks, and can be used at home when connected to compatible power sources. Its extended cord and included attachments support deep interior detailing work without frequent interruptions,